Welcome to Homemaking with Mima. My name is Wendy, and I'm doing just a really quick garden tour. I had just been out and we went through the garden, and I still had my carrots to harvest, and I was talking about the things that survived and the things that didn't. And so let's get this quick little tour done. Well, the lettuce is hanging in there. um, it's slow at growing, but it's coming along and it looks really good. I did pull the carrots, as you can see, and um, I will show the results of those carrots in this video. Of course, those flowers, they're still blooming away. And yeah, that's a wasp on that one. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. He's not welcome, but the honeybees are welcome. And the day that I was out here pulling the carrots, I heard something really loud. And I thought, I've heard it before, but it really scared me. My husband laughed at me. Anyway, it was a hummingbird. So there was a hummingbird on these flowers, and I'm pretty sure they were going for these, like the pink ones there, because I think they have the really nice nectar. But yeah, the flowers have been doing really good still here. They're still putting out big blooms, so I'm happy about that. Oh, there's a good bee. That's a good bee right there. Get a little closer. He's doing his job. So at least I know my job with the flowers. That worked 100%. I'm happy with it. These are blooming really nice. Get back a little bit. They've got a really pretty little red flower on them, and they're vining up real nice. Had to train them a little bit better, but those turned out nice. And the morning glories, they're just beautiful. We've got some bluish white ones here, the purple ones, and can't get quite up to that one. There we go. So yeah, these are absolutely gorgeous. Definitely going to plant these again next year. Some blooms around the back. And I've seen bees on these too. And the hummingbirds were probably after this as well. Okay, you're going to hear some background noise. My husband's just doing some yard work. But I pulled the carrots. This is what I kept. The smaller ones that aren't worth your time trying to fidget with, I gave to the wild rabbits out in the back. And I got a few more radishes. These flowers are still putting out flowers, so they're doing their job too. The tomatoes, we've harvested a few of the cherry tomatoes. There's a lot more on here that are going to be going. These ones aren't cherry. This one here is, I'll probably have my husband pick it tomorrow. These are his thing. Got one over there on that one. I lost the squash. It just didn't survive. So it's not my year to have any squash. And the cabbage, it's still really little. Now I know it takes a long time for cabbage to grow, and it is not going to have enough time before we get some hard frost around here to do anything. So I'm just going to leave it and see what happens, but that is it for that. All in all, a really good garden season. I'll bring you back when things die off and I get ready to get the beds to bed for the winter, because that's going to come quick. And I'll bring you back for that when I do that. And that'll be a little while yet. I want to thank you for joining me today. If you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I want you folks to make it a really great day.